This is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. To start, you will need to launch the app gallery. Then over here, look for the Turbo VPN application. Here it is. Onwards, tap at the install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. Once it did, simply launch the app, tap at the green continue button over here, then skip the ad that follows, or actually that does not follow for some reason, well, whatever. Finally, in order to connect your device to VPN, just tap at the caret icon over here, confirm the connection request, and the VPN was successfully connected to. While at it, you can change the server, country, or even the city that you are connected to, like that. And finally, if you would like to disconnect your smartphone from VPN, simply tap at the cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.